It's Shot Boogie, Baseballs, Brooklyn, Harlem. Yes, let's go. Yeah, let that beat drop. Yeah, let that heat rock. Harder than that sheetrock. Check me, listen, my intuitions got my ambitions, wanting the better living, gotta get it yourself. But wishing that it was given, music making my decision. But I'm moving on this mission, I'm expressing every thought. Sit back and just listen. Sit back and just listen. Hold on, sit back and just listen. Yeah, do y'all hear me out there? Yo, my intuitions got my ambitions, don't end up better living, gotta get it yourself. But wishing that it was given, music making's my decision. But I'm moving on this mission, I sit back and just listen. Yo, I'm conscious of what I do. I screwed up, skipped out of school, stressed, I ain't in the grand crew, like in this bamboo. I need this nigga, damn you. Impulsively erased, spitting lava for 11x, 365 days, don't be amazed. Keeping it going into the grave, bottled up with emotion, so the music got your slave. They say fuck dreams, you gon' blow up, just pull a pin, hold a grenade. You're right, I dust these haters off with no face. Get up on what I want, that's like me going both ways, that's no way. If I'm sleeping, it's not napping. So Ruby bitches is boogie, low code captain. My intuitions got my ambitions, wanting the better living, gotta get it yourself. But wishing that it was given, music making's my decision. When I'm moving on this mission, I'm gonna sit heavy thought, sit back and just listen. Baseballs, sit back and just listen. Y'all crazy, just stand up. We recorded.